Homebuyers are frustrated, sellers are hesitating, and everyone's wondering whether the housing market is headed for a crash or a comeback. The housing market is in a strange place right now. Mortgage rates remain high at 7% for a 30-year fixed rate. Home sellers have record equity in their homes and cheap mortgages, but buyers can't afford to buy at these high prices with these high mortgage rates. So the housing market is still stuck. What does this mean? Well, as a buyer, you have the ability to negotiate better prices when there are more homes for sale than there are buyers out there. As a seller, you need to be willing to negotiate with buyers. You need to be willing to come down in price, especially if your home is sitting on the market. Everything is local, of course. In southern markets such as Houston, there are a lot of listings out there, which means that sellers need to work even harder to find a buyer and they need to price even more conservatively. But in Midwestern markets, there's actually more buyers than there are sellers. In Chicago, for example, homes are selling really easily with multiple offers. The housing market is always changing, and in this economy especially, things are changing really rapidly. So, my advice is to pay attention to the data and what's going on around us. And you can do that by following Redfin for more real time housing market insights.